All right, now in this garden here we cover everything to keep it protected from the birds and from the insects and from the varmints that want to get in your bed and kind of mess with it. So we're going to create a cover. And here we have a little boxed in frame. We don't have anything in the middle to keep that cover up off the parsley. So we put a post in, a little stick. You can cut it from a tree or use scrap lumber, whatever you can get your hands on. A little string from the hardware store, and we string it across. We put one in the middle and one at each end, depending on how long your bed is. Here we have fairly large beds. Get another little weed out. Once you put that string in there, then you can cover it back up with your cloth. This is a remake cloth, which I showed you before. And this cloth I've had for about 3 years. And so if you take care of it properly, it should last you a long, long time. It's not that expensive. It's a great investment. And once you cover it, you can see how the string right here is keeping it off. And you can also take clothespins and clothespin this down to keep the wind from blowing it. And you can also put strings along the sides to tuck it in to keep it from blowing off. Or you can take things like this, old tomato post, and put it along here to weight down the cloth.